Today we are going to learn 8th standard numbers example 1.28. Find the value of square root of 256. So 256, since it ends by 6, let us do by second table prime factorization. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, balance 1, 8 2s are 16. So since it ends with 8, let us do by second table. 1 is less than 2, so we'll take double digit. 6 2s are 12, 4 2s are 8. So once again by second table, 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Once again by second table, 1 2s are 2, balance 1, so that it becomes 12, 6 2s are 12. By second table, 8 2s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So, square root of 256 can be written as 2 into. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 2s are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we are dividing them into pair so that we can find the square root. So, we are dividing into pair. 2 into 2 can be written as 2 square, 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. Now, we can separate the root and we can write down. The root belongs to everything. So 2 square, 2 square, 2 square. Here square and the root get cancels. Square and the root get cancels. Remaining is 2, 2, 2, 2. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. So the square root of 256 is 16. It means when 16 multiplied twice gives you 256. Now example 1.29. Find the value of square root of 42.25. Now 42.25 can be written as square root of 42.25 divided by 1. Now first let us remove the decimal point so that we can do a calculation easily. So next to the decimal point we have two numbers, so we can multiply by 100. If it is one number, multiply by 10. If it has three numbers, multiply by 1000. If you multiply the numerator by 100, in the denominator also you should multiply by 100. Therefore 4, you don't bother about the decimal point. 4225 into 100 gives you 422500, and later on place the decimal point before two numbers. Therefore you will get 4225.00. So 1 into 100 gives you 100. Here you don't bother about the point. 4225 into 100 gives you so much. Here they have placed the point before two numbers, so you place the point before two numbers. Divided by 100. 1 into 100, 100. So next to the decimal point, no value, we can write 4225 divided by 100. So 4225 by prime factorization. Since it ends by 5, let us do the prime factorization by fifth table. 8 5s are 40, balance 2, 22 we have, 4 5s are 20, balance 2, 5 5s are 25. Next 1 5s are 5, balance 3, 6 5s are 30, balance 4, 9 5s are 45. 169 can be written as 13 13s are. So 13 can be written as 13 ones are. Now 100. By 2 this is 50 times. By 2 this is 25 times. 25 can be written as 5 5s are 25. 1 5s are 5. Now 4225 can be written as 5 into 5 into 13 into 13 by 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Now we can divide them into pair. 5 into 5 can be written as 5 square. 13 into 13 can be written as 13 square. In the denominator 2 square, 5 square. Square and the root get cancelled. So remaining we have 5 into 13 divided by 2 into 5. That is 65 divided by 10. So since we have the denominator have 1 0, so place the point before one number. So 6.5 is the answer. So 6.5, when you multiply 2 times, twice 6.5 into 6.5 gives you square root of 42.25. Therefore, the square root of 42.25 is 6.5. Thank you, children. Any doubt? Please comment